badass Barra that we are just finishing up and ready to drop into a XF that we're building for Drag Challenge for a customer. This one has got a full custom Riot Lab stainless Pro Mod spec exhaust manifold. It's running a Turbosmart wastegate with a Turbosmart turbocharger. We've then plumbed it all up. We have got one of the new Toomey NC billet inlet manifolds on this. Really impressed with these. The fuel rail and everything integrates beautifully. Also the thermostat housing. It's one of our spec engines. Runs our head gasket setup, rods, pistons, girdle, camshafts, and all the normal stuff that we use. We've got a full Nexus R3 Haltech ECU controlling everything. It also runs a DSR Ultra Race transmission. It's quite a cool car actually. So yeah, this one's just finishing up and will be ready for Drag Challenge.